Hey everyone, welcome to Fireside Chats with Grandpa Mikey. That's right, I've gone old school because I can't see and I can't read, so I'm going to get my glasses out for this one. This is an unboxing from Perth Mint for the little coin shop. Now, I'm a little bit overexcited about this one, which is probably not good because I seem to get overexcited about all these kind of left of field ones. This is one they released a while ago, so last month. But they've just come in, or this has just come in to LCS. I think it's a restock for them. But I love, love, love this one. So this is the Phoenix one. Now they produced it in silver. But this is one of the incredibly rare 2-ounce gold ones. They only produced 250 of these, and they sold very quickly. So it looks like that, and then it comes in this fantastic packaging that Perth Mint does. So the top of the box there, we'll put that to the side, put that one to the side, so the certificate of authenticity, and then in here you've got this incredibly detailed coin, and I won't take it out of the capsule obviously, but I'm going to pop it out of here so we can get a closer look at it. So this is the Phoenix. Now I'm going to read a little bit because I think the burst they've done on it is fantastic. So it's an ancient symbol of honesty, benevolence and knowledge. The Chinese mythical phoenix rare appearance were believed to herald forthcoming happiness, harmony and prosperity. The coin's high relief design, so it is high relief, portrays a stylized artist impression of a Chinese phoenix. In its beak is the flower of the Paulownia tree, said to be the only species on which the phoenix will perch. Also including the design of representation of cloud symbols of abundance and good fortune. And you can just, the amount of detail, I read it out because it symbolises the detail that they've put in there. The amount of detail, in fact I'm going to put my glasses back on. I never appear on camera with my glasses, so this is a rarity in itself. But the detail that you've got in the background, the swirling, the feathering, you can see the claws in there, and the longer tail. It's amazing what they've done with it and the presentation of it. And then on the back, and of course my fingers have frosted it up a little bit, but you've got the effigy of Queen Elizabeth on the back, the 2-ounce 4/9 gold, $200 face value. But it's also quite a thick coin. They've used the 1-ounce size planchet, which for a 2-ounce coin makes it thicker, which again can give them that, and we talk about this semi-frequently, this concave depth to it, allowing you to bring out the design into almost a three-dimensional design because it's got that depth. You can see the chest or the breast of the phoenix itself. It looks puffed out. It looks majestic. So I just wanted to highlight this coin. It's an absolutely stunning coin. Obviously, it's not a cheap coin. I think their recommended retails, just shy of $8,000. So they're not cheap, but they are a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful coin. They present incredibly well and certainly would be a centerpiece into any collection. This is really moving into the collection. Absolutely, it has stacking ability because it's a couple of ounces of gold, but it's that next level. It's the proof version. It's the high relief proof version. More detail, more design, and only producing 250 of them worldwide. So if it floats your boat, grab them while you can. I know they've been popular. Don't know how long they'll last in stock. Head over to littlecoinshop.com.au and you'll be able to see the link to it there. We'll put the link down below as well so you can go straight to it. Grab it while you can. I just couldn't resist showing it. All right, that's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.